Alright guys, to do a review of this Just Egg. As you can see, it's a plant-based egg. And it actually does taste like egg. And there it is. If you guys want to read it. It's made of mung beans, if you guys are curious. There it is. There's the ingredients. And yeah, I'm going to cook it up. And I'll do a quick taste test for you. And I'll be back. Alright, so here's the Just Egg in here. So I wrapped it with some guacamole and some turkey bacon there, and I'll show you what the egg looks like. There's the egg right there. Okay, taste test time. It's really good. It even tastes like egg. The texture is nailed. It's yeah. Definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.